Again, why?
I want to go and do my makeup.
How much is it?
It's 50,000 naira.
You want to surgery?
Babe, it's because I'm going to the makeup studio. If the person is coming for home service, it's supposed to be like 80,000 naira.
Okay.
Just to do makeup?
Yes, now.
Sit down. See, babe, you don't really need all these things where you apply for your face.
Okay.
If you start applying all these things now, you start having hyperpigmentation. You start having all these pimples. Your face will spoil. Don't you know?
You know where I'm going to now. I will not look different.
Because you are different. Don't you know we start applying all this on your face now, you start having wrinkles? You start growing old. Do you want to grow old?
No, baby.
Don't you know that all those your friends will apply all these things on their face? Because their face don't spoil. They don't use makeup spoil their face. But you have natural makeup. And you want to spoil your face. Don't you know all those small makeup items where they put for your face like this? And that lipstick website if you put on for your mouth now where they bust my head. You don't forget. Go apply them. Go apply them, Joe.
You have escaped. Calm down. You have escaped. Calm down. You have escaped.